Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to new Facebook leads using DoubleTick. Now suppose guys, if you're running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads and to nurture them, you want to send them a WhatsApp message using DoubleTick, this automation is going to help you a lot. So using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in a Facebook lead ads campaign, automatically using DoubleTick, you can send a WhatsApp message to the same lead to nurture them. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to DoubleTick. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads account, automatically the details of that new lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After triggering this automation, what we are going to do, we are going to send the details of that new lead to DoubleTick and the mobile number which the user is going to enter while generating the lead, while filling the Facebook lead ad form. On the same mobile number, we are going to send a WhatsApp message using DoubleTick. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, here in Choose App, we are going to search for Facebook lead ads. Just select Facebook lead ads over here. After this, in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as New Lead Instant. After selecting a trigger event, click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Lead Ads button. Now guys, because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in my Facebook account. So here in my Facebook account, you can see there's a list of different pages over here. And you can see a list of all these same pages in our Pabbly Connect workflow over here as well. So from this drop down, we have to select the page that on which particular Facebook page we are running our Facebook lead ads campaign. So I have running some Facebook lead ads campaign on this page named as Lakshya Coaching Classes on this particular Facebook page. So for example, I'll just search for this page over here and select this Facebook page on which we are running the Facebook lead ads campaign. We are generating Facebook leads on which particular page. After selecting our page, in this next field of lead gen form, here in this drop down, you will see a list of all the lead generation form which we have created on this Facebook page. So out of all of this, if you have created multiple lead generation form, so the data of new lead from which particular form we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select that form over here. So I have this form named as Lakshya Coaching Classes. I want to generate or get the details of the new lead for this particular form inside Pabbly Connect. So I am selecting this particular form over here. And we are going to send the WhatsApp message using DoubleTick to the lead generated by this same form over here. After selecting lead generation form, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you will see it will now change to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details of a new lead for this particular lead generation form on our Facebook page. So what we are going to do, to set up this automation, we are just going to generate a test lead, a dummy lead over here. And to generate a test lead, we will be using the Facebook lead ad testing tool. So guys, if you are familiar with the lead ad testing tool, using this, you can generate a test lead and capture the response of this test lead in our Pabbly Connect workflow. But if not, if you are new to Facebook lead ad testing tool, we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can refer to that video and learn how you can set up this Facebook lead ad testing tool, how you can use it to generate test lead. So I just came up to this Facebook lead ad testing tool page, and here we have selected the page from this page drop down, that on which particular page we want to generate the lead. Also in this form section, we have selected the form that for which particular form we want to generate this test lead using this lead ad testing tool. Now after this, just click on this preview. After clicking on this preview form button, here you can see in this form, I'm asking my lead three basic details: full name, email, and mobile number. So we have some pre-filled data. This is the email address of a test lead, a dummy lead. This is the name of the test lead, and this is the mobile number of this lead. So whatever mobile number our lead is going to enter in this lead generation form, on the same number we will be sending the WhatsApp message using DoubleTick. So we have entered the details of a test lead, a dummy lead over here. Now let's click on this next button and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see just now using this lead ad testing tool, we have generated a test lead for this particular lead generation form. And because we have connected our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we have just now captured this response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same test lead. Here you can see the same mobile number, you can see the same name of the test lead, and also the email address. This means the connection of our Facebook lead ads account and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. And using this connection, whenever a new lead will be generated in our Facebook lead ads account, automatically the details of that new lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, what we want to do, we want to send the details of this new lead like the mobile number and the name of the lead to DoubleTick, so that using DoubleTick, we can send a welcome message, a WhatsApp message to this newly generated Facebook lead, just to nurture them. So to do this, we will just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for DoubleTick. Just select it over here. After selecting DoubleTick in action event from this drop-down, we are going to select the action event as Send WhatsApp Template Message. Just select this action event over here. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our DoubleTick account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our DoubleTick account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just log into your DoubleTick account and from the left sidebar, go to this settings option over here. After coming to the settings page, here you can see an option named as Developer API. Just click on Developer API and here you can see the API key of your DoubleTick account. Just copy this API key from here and then paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, just click on Save. And after clicking on Save, here you can see that our DoubleTick account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the to. And the help text says, enter the phone number to which the message is sent. So here guys, we have to map the WhatsApp number. We have to enter the WhatsApp number of the user, of the lead to whom we want to send the messages using DoubleTick. So we want to send a WhatsApp message to the new Facebook lead which we have generated over here. And we have received the details of the new lead from Facebook lead ads inside our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger window. And in these responses, in the lead generation form, we have asked for the phone number from the user as well. And here you can see the response of phone number. Now here guys, what we have to do, we have to basically map this response of phone number from this trigger step, and we have to send this response of phone number to this action step here in the to field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads of a new lead. Out of all of these responses, select the response of phone number and it will be mapped over here. So whatever phone number our lead is going to enter in our lead generation form, on the same number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message using DoubleTick. After 2, the next thing it asks us is the message ID. So here if you want, you can create or enter a message ID for this message as well. But this field of message ID is not mandatory, it's not required. So if you want, we can ignore this field for now as well. Then after this unique message ID field, the next thing it asks us is the template name. Now here guys, to send WhatsApp messages using DoubleTick, first what we have to do, we have to basically create a template message in our DoubleTick account. And after creating that template message, we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. Now after that approval, once that template message gets approved, we can send the WhatsApp messages using those templates to our new Facebook leads. Now, if you want to create a new template, let me take you to the DoubleTick account and here at this templates page. Here at this page, you can see a list of all the templates which we have created in our DoubleTick account. And using these templates, we can send WhatsApp messages to our Facebook leads. If you want to create a new template, just click on this new template button and you can start creating your new template message of your choice. Right now in this video, we are going to use an existing template which we have created. And the name of that template is webinar_registration. Using this template, this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to my new Facebook leads. This is the complete message. I have already created this template and got it approved. So here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this template name field, in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses, all the templates which we have created in our DoubleTick account. Out of all of this, using which template we want to send the WhatsApp message to our new Facebook leads, we have to select that template over here. So webinar_registration, using this template, we wanted to send the WhatsApp message. So I will be selecting this template over here. After selecting the template, the next thing it asks us is the language. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the languages in which we have created this template message. So if you want, you can create a template message in multiple languages and then you can send WhatsApp messages in multiple languages as well. Right now, this template is in English and I want to send a WhatsApp message of this template in English as well. So I'll be selecting the language of this template which we have selected while creating this template message over here. So here you can see the language code as EN English and we have selected English over here. Then it is asking us for the header type. Now here guys, using this template message, if we want, we can send some kind of header message or header image, video or document as well with the WhatsApp message. So if you want to send some kind of header text, some kind of image, document, video or anything like that with the WhatsApp message as an attachment, as a header, you can send that too. Now while creating a new template, you have to select the header options over here and then you can basically select that header option or the header type over here from this dropdown. Right now, in this particular template, we haven't added any kind of headers over here. But in the other templates, you can see, like for example, I have this template and in this template, you can see there is an image added in the header. So this image will be sent as the header file over here. Also, if you want to send some kind of dynamic images, you can select the header type and then you can map or enter the image URL, video URL, document URL or the header text as well. Right now in this template, because we don't have any headers, that's why here in this dropdown of header type, you can see it blank. But if you have selected any kind of header like text, image, document or video, here you have to enter the details of that header as well. Like here you have to enter the header placeholder, the header text over here. Then here you have to enter the media URL. Like if you are sending some kind of image, document or video, you have to enter the URL, the link of those files in this field of media URL. And you have to mention the name of the file as well. Like if you are sending document as a header file, it is necessary to have the name or mention the name of that document file as well with this header or with this attachment. So here you can enter the details of these headers as well. So if you want to select or send some kind of images or you can send the brochure of your PDFs as well with the WhatsApp message to new leads, you can enter all of those document details or media details over here. After file name, it has the button type. So here in this WhatsApp message, if you want, you can add some kind of interactive buttons as well. Like here you can see in this message, we have this button of stop promotions. So if you want in this way, you can also add some kind of buttons in your WhatsApp message. If you have added the buttons in your template message, here in button type, you can see the option as none or URL over here. And if you want, like here you can send or add the URL, the link of a website as well in this button. By clicking on that link, the user will directly be redirected to a link or to a website. Like here in this template message, you can see there's a button named as register. And as the user will click on this button sent with the WhatsApp message, that person or that user or that lead will be redirected to the URL which we are going to enter over here in this button URL parameter. So guys, if you want to send some kind of buttons with the WhatsApp message as well, you can select the button type and enter the URL parameter for that button as well. Right now, I'm not sending any kind of buttons with this message, so we are just going to ignore this field for now. At last, it is asking us for the participant name. So here guys, in this template message named as webinar registration which we have selected, I have added a placeholder, a variable over here. So in this template message after dear, I wanted to mention the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. Basically the name of the Facebook lead to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. I wanted to mention the name of that person just to make this message more personalized. But every time we are going to get the details of a new Facebook leads from Facebook lead ads. So every time a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads. And we are going to get the details of a new lead. That means the name of the person or the name of the lead which we want to mention in this message will be keep on changing. It will be a variable, it will be a dynamic text. And to add these kind of variable text or dynamic text in our template message, in our WhatsApp message, we add these kind of placeholders in our template message. So if you want to add a placeholder in your template message, you can add these kind of text, the name of the placeholder, in double curly braces over here. So in double curly braces, you can add these kind of placeholder as many as you want, and you will get all of these placeholders as fields over here. Like you can see, I have added a placeholder named as participant underscore name in this template message. And here you can see a field named as participant name in my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now, whatever text or whatever data I'm going to enter in this field with the same details, this template WhatsApp message will be sent to the user. Like in place of participant name, the same value which we are going to enter in our workflow will be added, and that WhatsApp message will be sent to the user. So we have received the name of the person over here from our Facebook lead ad response. We have this response of the name of the person. Now what we want to do, we want to mention this response of the name of the person in our template message, in our WhatsApp message. So we are going to map this response of full name over here in this participant name field. Just click on this field, and here in the drop down from the Facebook lead ad responses, select the response of full name and map it over here. In this way, we can add the details from our Facebook lead ad responses and map those details over here in this template message, in this WhatsApp message which we are going to send. After mentioning the participant name, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as I told you, in this video, I have selected a template with just one placeholder. If you want, you can add multiple placeholders as well in your template message. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received this response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the WhatsApp message, this particular template message, is been sent on the same number over here, on this number. Means on the same number which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So let's check it. We are going to check the WhatsApp account of this particular number. We'll just go to the new tab and access the WhatsApp account. And yes guys, here you can see that just now a WhatsApp message is been sent on the same number which we have entered while generating the test lead using Facebook lead ads. So here you can see the exact same message for which we have created the template in our DoubleTick account. The message says, hello dummy user, means the same name of the lead which we have entered while generating lead in our Facebook lead ad testing tool. We have the name of the same Facebook lead. Thank you for registering for our upcoming masterclass. We are delighted to confirm your registration and look forward for your participation. So in this way, you can see the exact same template message over here which we have created in our DoubleTick account. So whatever template message you are going to create in DoubleTick with the same details, with the same message, you can send a WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads. Also in this template message, we have added a placeholder, and in place of that placeholder, you can see the exact same text. We have mapped the name of the person over here in this field, and you can see the same response of name of the person in the message as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, you can instantly send a WhatsApp message to your new Facebook leads generated on Facebook lead ads using DoubleTick. So after setting up this automation, guys, let's test this automation workflow once. We will go back to our Facebook lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead to test this automation workflow. But before generating a new lead, here in Facebook lead ad testing tool, we have to delete the existing test lead first. Click on this delete lead button. And yes, we have already deleted this existing lead. So now we are going to just refresh this page. Here it is. And after selecting the same Facebook page, click on this preview form button. This time we are going to change the details of the user. For example, the email address of this test lead is test@pabblytools.com. The name of this person is test user. So here guys, we have entered the details of another test lead. Click on this next button and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see just now another lead is generated, another test lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads account. And we will see as we generate this test lead, instantly within few seconds, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same lead's number. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that just now we have received another message on our WhatsApp number, the same number which we have entered while generating the test lead. And here in this message, the message says, "Dear test user." So here you can see the same name of another test lead which we have entered, which we have generated using this Facebook lead ad testing tool. So it's another personalized WhatsApp message sent using DoubleTick to our new Facebook leads. So we have tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.